Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make new user with same phone on Temu. To make new user with same phone on Temu, first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now if you haven't logged out of your Temu, then you need to tap on U option on the down. After this, you'll be able to find a small setting icon on the top right. Tap on the setting icon. Now here you'll be able to find sign out option on the last. Tap on sign out. Now you'll be asked if you really want to sign out of your account. Tap on sign out. After this you'll be logged out of your Temu account. Now here you'll be able to find register/sign in option. Tap on register option. Now here you can see you can create new user ID using your Google account, your Facebook account or your email. I'm continuing with email, so you can enter your email address on the given box. After you do so, now tap on continue option. With this, now here you need to enter a strong password for your Temu account. Make sure it is of 8 characters long. After you do so, tap on register option on the down. With this, now you'll be able to create your new Temu user ID. Here you can see that my new Temu user ID has been created on the same device. This is how to make new user with same phone on Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.